fork. Like that. One way, the other one, sort of thing. And you can either roll it. This is how you use the gnocchis. Yeah. Press it. Again, it's going to hold pasta in a different way. Italians, they like to be a bit more specific, and they like to do their gnocchis with a hole on the bottom. So again, it soaks more sauce. How are we going to cook gnocchis? Boiling water, put them in, and it floats. All right. What happens when things float? They're cooked already. If you want to do fried gnocchis, which I think are a bit better, boil them really quickly, take them out, and straight into a hot pan with the oil. All right. What's going to happen when we fry any potato? Crispy surface, very smooth inside, like a French fry sort of thing. Okay. So yeah, just roll these guys up. You can either roll like that, roll on this side. Again, it all depends on what you want to do. But yeah, that's a gnocchi. Yeah, so it's like a pasta with potato. Do not